What's up, people? I have a little problem with my truck right now. I have a 1985 Ford and it won't crank. Yeah, I have this 1998 Ford Econoline and it was cranking and I left it off for about 3 weeks. And this is all it does now. It won't catch. It just keep on rolling over. Right now I got my battery. It's charging up right now. I've been on YouTube checking out stuff and what's that? The solenoid. The solenoid seems to be okay. And I don't know about this carburetor on here and the damn, I don't even know the name, but it just keep on rolling over. I took these off, cleaned the tips of them, and I scraped out the inside there. So if you have any suggestions out there on what might be the problem, it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.